guys, so today I thought I'd do a makeup tutorial. Right now I'm just priming my face with the Glow Revolution spray from Makeup Revolution. Now I'm just using this black gel eyeliner from Collection on an angled brush to do my eyebrows. So an eyebrow tutorial is one of my most requested videos I get asked to do like all the time, so I will be doing a separate eyebrow tutorial video soon. So now I'm just cleaning them a bit with a white concealer from Makeup Revolution. Hashtag not sponsored, but I wish it was. Now I'm just using their cut crease canvas in the shade Halo. Like I said, should be sponsored, please sponsor me. Using my NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette, I'm just using this kind of burnt orange shade. I'm just focusing it in my crease and trying to blend it up quite a lot. I'm using their black jumbo eye pencil and putting it all over my lid. And to set that, I'm going to use the black shade from the Kiss the Fire palette and also just blend it out. And surprise, surprise, guess what foundation I'm using today? I'm just using the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the lightest shade I could literally find. Now I'm setting that with the MUA Cosmetics setting powder. Now I'm contouring my face with the Pro HD Contour palette in the shade Fair. So I just used some more of the setting spray we used at the start of the video, just before I do a highlight. Going back into the burnt orange shade from earlier, I'm just putting it underneath my eyes. We want to drag that down kind of far because, like, let's be real, we want to look a bit dead here. Using some more of the black eyeliner from earlier, I'm just lining my waterline and then blending it out with the black eyeshadow as well. Now I'm using my absolute favourite eyeliner of all time, the NYX Liquid Vinyl Liner, and I'm just drawing on a wing here. Now I'm just using the Volume Colorist Mascara by Rimmel London. Now I'm just applying some fake eyelashes. I'm probably gonna get asked what ones I'm using. I honestly don't know. I think they're by the brand Eyeshadow. If I can find them, I'll leave them in the description below, so sorry about that. Now I'm just adding a kind of messy cross. Don't really know if it's supposed to be messy, but it kind of turned out that way, so we're going with it. This is completely optional, I just like to do it because it just makes it look a bit more interesting, honestly. Now I'm using the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Drop Dead Red and kind of like lining my lips with it. Now ignore the fact it's upside down, I'm an absolute idiot, but this is the Rimmel London Stay Satin Liquid Lip Cover in the shade Radical. And now we are pretty much done with this look. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to me if you haven't already, and go drop a like if you want more videos like this. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!